Yeah, that's
Fingers.
your fingers. You're right. What's this word? Can you touch your legs? That's right. Good job. How about this word? Seagull. You got it. Good laugh. Let's get the next one. Kick. Good eating. Yeah, clap. Tongue. Good job. Mama, you got it. Is that what a dog says? Can you touch your... Hey, can you touch your toes? Are you kicking your little feet? That's right. There's your toes. You got them. Teeth. That's right. Those are your teeth. Is that what a fish says? That's right. Vroom, vroom. That's what the car says. That's your mouth. You got it. How about this one? Good roaring. Cheeks. Yeah, that's right. You got cheeks. Good yawn. We're almost at the end of this pile. Is that what the elephant does? That's right. What does this say? What does this one say? Libbit, libbit. Libbit, libbit. Is that a frog? That's right. How about this one? Arms up. Put your arms up.